Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest trends in the world of finance and technology. Today, we're going to talk about NFTs and how you can make money with them. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have become one of the most talked about topics in the world of cryptocurrencies. They represent a unique way to own and trade digital assets, including artwork, music, videos, and other digital creations. In this video, we'll take you through the steps to help you get started with NFTs and make money in the process. Understanding NFTs. Before we dive into the process of making money with NFTs, let's first understand what they are. NFTs are digital tokens that represent ownership of unique digital assets. These tokens are created on a blockchain, which means they are transparent, secure, and cannot be duplicated. Unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs are not interchangeable and represent a unique piece of content. They can be traded on various marketplaces, and their value is determined by supply and demand. Creating NFTs. The first step to making money with NFTs is to create your own digital assets. This could be artwork, music, a video, or any other unique piece of content that you have created. You will need to choose a blockchain platform to create your NFT, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Once you have chosen your platform, you can use various NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea or Rarible to mint your NFT. Selling NFTs. Once you have created your NFT, you can sell it on various marketplaces. The most popular marketplaces include OpenSea, Rarible, and Super Rare. You can also sell your NFT on social media platforms like Twitter, where you can market it to potential buyers. It's essential to price your NFT correctly, taking into account the current market trends and the value of your digital asset. Buying and holding NFTs. Another way to make money with NFTs is to buy and hold them. This involves purchasing NFTs that you believe will increase in value over time. To do this, you will need to research the market and identify promising NFTs. You can also use platforms like Nansen or DappRadar to track NFTs and their performance. Once you have identified a promising NFT, you can purchase it and hold it until its value increases. Staking and yielding farming with NFTs. Staking and yield farming are two popular ways to earn passive income with NFTs. Staking involves holding your NFT in a wallet and earning rewards for securing the network. Yield farming, on the other hand, involves lending your NFT to a platform and earning interest on your investment. Some popular platforms for staking and yield farming with NFTs include Aavegotchi and Rarible. NFTs represent a unique opportunity to make money in the world of cryptocurrencies. By creating, buying, and holding NFTs, you can earn substantial profits in a relatively short period. It's essential to do your research, understand the market trends, and choose the right platform to get started with NFTs. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of making money with NFTs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.